Hello everyone. In the previous video I have explained about input data for the SWAT modeling and how to process it. Now in this video I am going to set the model and I will run the model and I will show how to read the result and how to get the result from this model. So first of all, open your ArcGIS. Then after, go here, project setup. Then make one folder here. I have made a SWAT model. Then give the name. Save it. Then go to project directory. Okay, this is our folder SWAT model. Select it. Okay. Then okay. Now the project setup is done. Then go to water delineator, automatic watershed delineation. Then here input data are here. From there select the DEM. Then go here. It is in the meter, so select meter. Then flow direction and accumulation. It will automatically give the area, but we can also change this area. If the area is small, then it will produce more outlet and more subbasin. Then after, create a stream and outlets. Okay. Then after sub-basin outlet, you can also include from this open table your sub-basin outlet, but I am going to follow the outlet which has been generated by this model. Then after, if you want to add any outlet here, you can add from here. If you want to delete, then you can also do the delete. Then after, go to whole watershed outlet. Okay, the outlet of this watershed is this. Select here. Okay. Then after, delineate watershed. Okay. Then after, calculate sub-basin parameters. Okay. Okay, now it is complete. Number of outlet is 27, so basin is also 27. Then exit. Then after you can see the watershed report here, topographical report. Then after go to HRU analysis. Is the grid or the save file projected? Yes, it is in a projected. Then after select the LULC, raster LULC. Okay. Then after go here, value. Okay. Now here you have to add a lookup table, user table. Okay. Okay. Then after soil data. Value. Okay. User soil, lookup table. Then after go to slope, multiple slope. I will choose here 3. For the first I will take 5%, add. Then after 2 I will add 15. Okay. Then after reclassify. Then after create HRA feature class, take here both. Then overlay. Okay, now it is finished. Then go to definition. Here you can give 20, 10, 10. You can also give here 10, then 5, 5. It is optional. Ban generate. Then after create HRU. Okay, completed. This is also completed. Then see the report. You can see the report of LULC. It will be like this. Final HRU. Number of HRU 128. Then after go here, weather station. Choose this rainfall data. If you don't have a rainfall data, you can go to the simulation. Otherwise, go here. You can choose here daily, sub daily. Precipitation. Okay. Temperature data you can put here, but I don't have a temperature data exactly falling on my watershed, so I will go for the simulation. Similarly for wind simulation, solar simulation, relative humidity simulation. Okay. You can see the format of this solar and wind data, relative humidity. from the database. For example, you can see the data from go to see SWAT database. You can see here example the format of that template. For example, here wind, you can see the format here, and similarly put here the wind data in meter per second. For the relative humidity, it is in this form. For the solar radiation, it is like there. You can see the template from this folder. You can also download this data from one website. I will show here. Global data for SWAT. You can download the data from here also. We can get the wind, solar, relative humidity, precipitation, temperature. Okay, now moving further. It is completed now. Then go here. Select all. Then after create table. No. Okay, done. Then after cancel. Okay, this is fine now. From this option we can also add point source discharge, inlet discharge, reservoirs of basin data. We can add here, but in my case it is not required here, so we'll move further. Then go to the run SWAT. Starting date is this. Then you can also simulate daily, monthly, yearly. I'm going to simulate monthly. Then choose your computer version. Then in this put here the warm-up period, 1 year or 2 year. I'll put here 1 year. Then after set SWAT run, it is finished now. Then after run SWAT. Okay, then after cancel it. Then go here, read SWOT output. What kinds of data you want to get from this model? I'm going to tick here this one and this one. Then import file to the database. Okay. The result will be automatically imported to your database. You can also give the name here like first run and then save. Okay, then go here, run check SWOT. Examine model output. Okay, here it will give the total simulation length here. Warm up 1, agile 128, sub basin 27. Okay, this is the information we will get from here. Then after we want a hydrology result. So this figure represents your study area water cycle. This is the precipitation, this is the evaporation, how much goes to the discharge, then return flow. From this we can get the result, and this is also our result. This means that about 76% of precipitation goes to the stream flow. Then after, go to show average monthly basin value. From there we can get the rainfall, snowfall, surface surcharge, I think, water yield. If you want to copy paste, then click here, then Control C, and then open the Excel and do the Control V. Then it will be pasted to your Excel sheet. We can also use this model for the other analysis like a sediment, nitrogen cycle, and this all. So okay, so it is done now. Now let's move to the result. For the result, go to your folder, this SWAT model, then go to the scenario. Okay, this you can also go to this default or this one. This both have the same. Okay, I will go here, then after this one, open this folder, then go here, now we can get the result for the all basin. This is a sub basin. If you want to get the result for the sub basin 1, 2 or 3 or 4, all 27, then tick here. For example, I am going to see for the 1. Okay, then for the year I am going to see for the year 2011, 12, 13. Okay, then it will show the area of that basin, what is the flow incoming to that sub basin, then what is the discharge for this sub basin. So for the so we can then we can, from here we can do the copy and then paste it into the Excel file, and then we can do the analysis. We can see here this is a basin. Okay, I'm going to review this all. Monitoring point, this I'm going to off this all. Okay, this is the sub basin. Sub 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the sub basin. And if we want to get the discharge, what will be the discharge of this basin, what will be the precipitation of this basin, what will be the evaporation, then this all data we can get from this scenario database. In this we can find the area, precipitation, this thing we can get from this, and this we can get the discharge from this. Okay, after getting this value, we can do the analysis of our result. So this is the end of our session, and yes, we can also get the error while doing this modeling. So if you have any problem, you can go to the SWAT user group. Go here, and then new conversation, and type here error, and you can post your all problem, your error, and you can also post your image of the error, and you can post here. So if anyone know about your error, they will definitely reply, and it will be helpful during your modeling. So okay, thank you. This is the end of this session, and in the another session I'm going to explain about how to calibrate the model, how to do the manual calibration, and how to do the automatic calibration. In the next video I am going to explain that, and then in another next video I will going to explain how to do the climate change analysis. Thank you.